Alright, this is the second grade Unit 3 math test. I'm going to read the questions aloud to you, pause the video, solve the problem, and then push play so you can hear the next question. We're going to start with question 1. Taylor is playing a math game with domino pieces. She wants to pick a domino piece with an even number to complete her domino triangle. Choose the domino piece which has an even number of dots on it. A, B, C, D. Pause the video, find your answer, and then start the video to hear question 2. Question 2. The image shows a group of buttons. Is the number of buttons in the group even or odd? And which number sentence can be used to support the answer? A, even. 5 plus 5 equals 10. B, even. 7 plus 4 equals 10. C, odd. 5 plus 5 equals 10. D, odd. 7 plus 4 equals 10. Problem 3. Bernie is trying to determine if he has an even or odd number of teddy bears. There's the teddy bears. Does Bernie have an even or odd number of teddy bears? Support your answer with an equation. Letter A. Odd because every teddy bear has a partner. 8 plus 8 is 16. B. Odd because there's one teddy bear without a partner. 7 plus 8 equals 15. C. Even because there's one teddy bear without a partner. 7 plus 8 equals 15. D. Even because every teddy bear has a partner. 8 plus 8 equals 16. Number 4. Harrison has 11 crayons. Does he have an even or odd number of crayons? Explain. A. Odd, because there are 2 groups of 5 and 0 crayons left over. B. Odd, because there are 5 groups of 2 with 1 crayon left over. C. Even, because there are 2 groups of 5 and 0 crayons left over. D. Even, because there are 5 groups of 2 with 1 crayon left over. Question 5. A teacher is separating a class into groups to play a game. The teacher separates all of the students into 2 same-size groups with no students left over. How many total students could be in the class? A. 15 students. B. 16 students. C. 17 students. D. 19 students. Problem 6. What is 12 plus 8? A. 20. B. 18. C. 16. D. 14. Number 7. What is 8 minus 9? What is 18 minus 9? A. 7. B. 8. C. 9. D. 10. Number 8. Which addition fact is equal to 16? A. 9 plus 7. B. 8 plus 6. C. 7 plus 8. D. 6 plus 11. Number 9. Which subtraction fact is equal to 7? A. 17 minus 8. B. 16 minus 9. C. 15 minus 7. D. 14 minus 8. Problem number 10. Which 2 math problems have the same sums? A. 9 plus 5 and 8 plus 4. B. 8 plus 5 and 7 plus 6. C. 7 plus 9 and 9 plus 6. D. 6 plus 8 and 7 plus 5. Number 11. Which addition problem is most closely related to the subtraction problem shown? 11 minus 5 equals 6. A. 5 plus 11 equals 16. B. 6 plus 11 equals 17. C. 6 plus 5 equals 11. D. 11 plus 5 equals 16. Number 12. Abby is playing with building blocks. She builds a tower by stacking the blocks shown in the diagram on top of each other. 2 inches, 3 inches, 6 inches. What is the height of the tower of blocks Abby builds? A, 5 inches, B, 6 inches, C, 9 inches, D, 11 inches. Problem 13. Which expression will have the same result as 11 plus 5? A, 10 plus 7, B, 8 plus 8, C, 6 plus 9, D, 3 plus 12. Number 14. Which shows the correct way to solve 20 minus 13? A, 20 minus 10 equals 10. Then 10 minus 3 equals 6. B, 20 minus 10 equals 10. Then 10 minus 3 equals 7. C, 20 minus 10 equals 10. Then 10 plus 3 equals 13. D, 20 minus 10 equals 10. Then 10 plus 3 equals 14. Number 15. Which shows one way to find the sum 8 plus 7? A, 8 plus 2 is 10, and 10 plus 5 is 15. B, 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 7 is 17. C, 7 plus 3 is 10, and 10 plus 3 is 13. D, 7 plus 3 is 10, and 10 plus 8 is 18. Problem 16. Which strategy can be used to add 7 plus 5? A, add 7 plus 3 to make 10, then add 5. B, add 7 plus 3 to make 10, and then add 2. C, add 5 plus 5 to make 10, and then add 7. D, add 5 plus 5 to make 10, then add 5. Problem 17. Molly has 9 pieces of candy in her pocket. She eats 3 pieces of candy. Then Molly's mom gives her 5 more pieces of candy. 9 minus 3 plus 5 equals. How many pieces of candy does Molly have now? A, 1 piece of candy. B, 6 pieces of candy. C, 11 pieces of candy. D, 17 pieces of candy. Number 18. There are 13 students on the soccer field. Then 6 students run off the field. How many students are left on the soccer field? A, 5, B, 6, C, 7, D, 8. Number 19. Eric uses the number line to solve correctly his subtraction problem. Which subtraction problem did Eric solve? A, 12 minus 7, B, 12 minus 9, C, 12 minus 3, D, 12 minus 2. Problem 20. Anton has 14 baseball cards. Anton gives some of his baseball cards to Shelby. Now he has 5 baseball cards left. Which number sentence can be used to find the number of baseball cards, triangle, Anton gives to Shelby? A, triangle plus 5 equals 14. B, triangle minus 14 equals 5. C, 5 minus triangle equals 14. D, 14 plus triangle equals 5.